Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to look at the key of D minor, the chords and the scales that go with the chord. Okay, we'll start with the tuning, of course. We normally do the tuning. Let's have a look. Okay, starting with the 6th string, bottom E. 5th string A, 4th string D. This is standard tuning, or 440. 3rd string G, 2nd string B. 1st string E, high E, open. I'll just check it manually again. Sounds a bit out. A's right. D. That's better. Okay, let's look at the D minor chord. Probably the easiest way to play it is down here. So we're playing the 4th string open, and 2nd finger, 2nd fret on the A note, index finger on the C note, 3rd finger on the G note. Or you can use your 4th-finger if you like, if you find it a bit difficult. Sorry, I just gave you the wrong chord. Let's try that again. So A, 2nd finger, 2nd fret on the A, 3rd finger, 3rd fret on the D, and the index finger on the F. Because D minor is the relative chord or key to F major. Same notes, except you're starting on the D instead of the F. Okay, so there's the D minor chord. I'll put a diagram up on the screen to show you the D minor chord. Okay, so D minor, got a few strums on that. Scale. D minor is Aeolian mode with a natural minor scale, so it has a B flat in it, because in the key of F we have B flat, F, G, A, B flat. When we were using the C, it was the C, B natural. Now we have flattened the B, down one semitone. See how that fits the D minor chord? So remember, D, E, F, G, A, B flat, C, practice that, play in different positions over the neck. Up here. So that's the D Aeolian scale. Okay, so the next one we have is E diminished. This is one way of playing it. It's got a very dark sound. So E diminished, what is it? So it's diminished fifth. So you got B flat, E, so you can play it like so. So E, F, and B flat. Sorry, E, B flat. Sorry, E, G, and B flat. Has a dissonant, dark sound. Okay, I think I like this pattern better than that one. So slide your third finger up to the G on the fourth string, index finger on the B flat, and pinky on the E. Just play those three. Wants to go to that note, doesn't it? Okay, so E diminished. I'll put that chord up there as well, the picture of it. And what is the pattern of the scale? So it's E, F, G, A, B flat, C. E, F, G, A, B flat, C, D. See how it fits in with the F? Because you're actually in the key of F, even though we're in the key of D minor, which is in the key of F major. The D minor, key of D minor is taken out of the F major. So we're starting on the sixth tone of the F major scale. So remember, so E, F, G, A, B flat, C, D. D, C, B flat, A, G, F, E. Yeah, fits in with that dark dissonant sound. Okay, E diminished. Next one, F major. Don't worry, I'll put these chords up. F major. So that's the first scale in the key of F major, isn't it? So Ionian. So F, flat, C, D, E, D, C, B flat, A, G, F. Okay, next one is G minor. How do you play that? Playing it here as a bar chord, or you can play it like this, or like this. I hope you can all see this. So G minor. So it's going to be G Dorian. G, A, B flat, C, D, E, F, E, D, C, B flat, A, G. G minor, G Dorian scale. Okay, next one, A minor. You probably all know the A minor chord. Don't worry, I'll put the diagram up on the screen so you can see it, where to put your fingers if you're not sure. And this one is A Phrygian. So we've got got that B flat now instead of the B natural. A minor chord, A Phrygian. So we have B flat major, mix a Lydian. We'll play it up here on the 6th fret, bar chord like this. It's easier to demonstrate the scale, which is mix a Lydian. There's the B flat major chord. B flat major. And mix a Lydian is has a flat 7th. E, F, G, A, B, C, F, G, A, B, C, C major, C major. Yeah, sorry guys, I made a mistake with the B flat. So here we have the B flat major here, or here. And it's Lydian mode, not Mixolydian, Lydian. That's B flat, C, D, E flat, F, G, A flat. The Lydian has a sharp 4. Okay. Last but not least is C major. Everyone knows C major chord. Keep it simple down here. And this is the C Mixolydian scale. It has a flat 7th. Very good for 7th chords. That's C, D, E, F, G, A, B flat, A, G, F, E, D, C. Yeah, sorry about the confusion there. Let's have a look at going through the chords again. So D minor, E diminished, F major, G minor, A minor, B flat major, C major, D minor, D minor, F, G minor, A minor, B flat major, C major, D minor. Okay, we'll leave it there guys. Key of D minor. Okay, see you next time. Bye.